due to lack of job satisfaction and so that's why I come to the IT industry. I choose the 10x Academy. So my name is Brahmam. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I had done the engineering graduation at Sri Vasavi Institute of Engineering and Technology, specialized as a mechanical engineer. So before joining the 10x Academy, my path is the completely different because of I worked in the Ajad Engineering Private Limited. That is the one of the manufacturing company in that Hyderabad. It's related to the mechanical. So I worked at 12 hours a day, 7 to 7 shifts a day. Because of I was very struggled and nervous. Felt very nervous to work. The 12 hours is not difficult, not fine for me. Then after the due to lack of job satisfaction and so that's why I come to the IT industry. I choose the 10x Academy. So firstly, because of I am the mechanical student, okay. So I while due to lack of job satisfaction, I was trying to move to the forward IT sector. I applied into the 10x Academy. Then I joined in the pre-boot camp. Then I attend the 2-3 classes as Silesh teaches that Python DSA. Classes also understand for my knowledge. So that's why I choose because of I attended the lot of other institutes also. But in that Silesh teaches in the DSA part Python, so that very interacts me and very interest for me. So then I decided, okay, 10x is fine for me. They teaches is very well. So if in case I have any problem for facing the any programming knowledge, programmings or codings, whatever I face any problem, the 10x team will help. Was very helpful for me. They are providing the one-on-one mentoring sections. If in case I have any doubts regarding any projects or any assignments, I just inform it to my mentor. They will provide a schedule for the one-on-one mentoring section, and that was very helpful for me. So why I like mentor one section? For example, sometimes I felt very shy to ask in the group discussions also. So that's why I choose the one-on-one section, and one-on-one section is I was very freely to ask any doubts to the mentors. I think everything is in the good for me because of the what they teach it and what they provide the placements and the placement activity or one-on-one sections, mentoring sections, everything is fine. So in that, firstly, my first mock interview was not good because of I don't know what is the how the mock interview was done. So first and second mock interview was not good. Then after that, every mock interview section, that mentor said you need to that mentor said you have some push for me, like how to learn coding and how to get knowledge, get knowledge. So everything they will teach me, and they will give the guidance for me for learning and everything. That mock interviews was very fine for me. It was very helpful for the interviews also. And coming to the 10x placement team, the placement team was very helpful for me because of they are applying the lot of companies my resume, and 10x placement team will helpful for every day because of they are applying the lot of companies for our interview our resumes. Okay, overall experience means, for example, if in case I'm not come to the 10x Academy, I don't know what is my future and not at all. So once I come into the 10x Academy, because I have some assurance for me only. I have some assurance. Okay, I can become a software developer